Hey guys, Animus Travels here, doing an update with the new construction with the shopping area here. And here it is. It's been good weather, so these guys have able to do a lot of work. So I'm guessing there's gonna be a CVS here somewhere. And we have the supermarket going, the new supermarket going up. Not exactly sure what this place is gonna be. But over here we have the new Safeway. Oops. So, sorry about the way I'm walking. They got the cement all torn up and stuff. So they built a new walkway path, it looks like. Looks like they're building a new walkway path. So they moved that up more. And I'm not sure what's going to be going right here. Hopefully, they're going to have some type of bike lane or something here. Because it looks like they're going to be extending the road. So, here's the new shop. Here's the new Safeway or whatever's going to be here. I'm not quite sure. And over here looks to be where Pete's is gonna be. Sorry, I got Bandit kind of tugging on me because he's kind of scared. He's trying to keep me safe. So let's see if I can get a snapshot of one of the signs that are up. Yeah. Not exactly sure how things are gonna be right now. It looks like right now everything's a bit discombobulated. They got everything pretty much torn up. Come here. Anyhow, there's the new gas station in the distance. I can get a better shot. From across the street. Hang on. Let me get back across the street here. Yeah, sorry about all this. I'm walking Bandit at the moment, and he's just trying to keep me as safe as I can. As safe as he can, and safe if I can keep him safe as well. But everything seems to be doing pretty normal. Not doing that much. Probably should have just done this across the way so I'd be a lot safer. But at least now you guys got a good view of everything. Come on, boy. So, there we go. See if I can get a look at the sign that explains everything. Huh. Looks like they extended and it looks like Pete's Coffee is gonna be, there's gonna be something else besides Pete's Coffee in one of these buildings, in this building here. That was the ice cream truck. It probably would have gotten a look at the sign from the other side. But it doesn't look like I'll be able to. Hang on, Bandit, don't pull too hard. So, let's see. Yeah, there we go. tell you if there's a slight glare, but it's easier for me to get it from across the way than right in front because it's kind of hazardous right now. I was lucky to move around. They got the whole street, that part of the street all torn up. But everything looks to be all right. So I think that should just about do it. Not exactly sure what more I can do for right now. Probably be easier to view this from a car's perspective so I can get a close up to everything. Maybe I'll have my mom do that with me next time. Well, I think that should wrap it up for now. Anyhow, that pretty much ought to do it for today's construction update. So oh, and to my 80th subscriber, I hope you would hold on. Come here, you. If you would like, subscribe, your friends and family to help grow my channel. And that's not just to my 80th subscriber, but to all my subscribers, all 80 of you. If you would do that for me, I would appreciate that very much. Oh, and don't forget to leave comments for me. Your comments help not just me, but other YouTubers learn exactly how you want these videos to go and what you want to see. That's how we're able to bring you lots of different videos. Hey, how are you? All right. Oh, and just a quick note, this is just a little strip mall area of the places where we can get stuff. There's a yogurt place here, Starbucks, Kinder's is right there with the bull's head. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's there. right next to Starbucks. So, yeah, that ought to do it. There's also Jack in the Box here, and looks like a martial arts and Extreme Pizzas here. So everything seems to be working out for us here. Me and my mom. It's pretty nice, and I can easily walk to my day program or take the bus with no problem. Well, until then, travelers, I hope this has been educational for you. So this has been my little neighborhood walkthrough, as well as the construction update. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little walkabout. Till then, travelers, stay tuned and watch out for the next video.